The Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition is gonna be the successor to the Galaxy S10 Lite that was launched late last year, and according to the specs, the device is looking pretty solid for the price. Just to confirm that there's gonna be an S20 Lite, some reliable sources have revealed that a new Galaxy S20 is under development, with the model numbers SMG780 and SMG781. And for reference, the Galaxy S10 Lite had a model number of SMG770, so it makes sense that this new S20 variant is the successor to the Galaxy S10 Lite, and internally it's been referred to as the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Although, when Samsung launched the S10 Lite, they launched the Note 10 Lite alongside it. But the Note 20 series just got announced, so if there's gonna be a Note 20 Lite at all, then we might hear about it down the line. But for now, we only have information on the S20 Fan Edition. A lot of people were hoping this was gonna have the Snapdragon 865 worldwide, just the way the S10 Lite had the 855 everywhere. But, according to recent rumors and a Geekbench leak, a model of the S20 Fan Edition with the model number SMG780F was spotted with an Exynos 990 chipset. So it seems Samsung is still gonna use the Exynos 990 on the S20 Lite. But I guess that shouldn't be surprising, because they used it on the Note 20 Ultra, which is their major flagship of the year. We also have a render of the upcoming device, thanks to a leaked image from Evan Blass, which shows the S20 Fan Edition with a flat Infinity O display, which is said to have a full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The hole punch looks really small and even smaller than the ones on the S20 series. It's also rumored to have a triple camera setup at the back and pack a 4500 mAh battery with IP68 water and dust resistance. Now, the S20 Fan Edition was expected to outperform the Galaxy S20 series in countries where Samsung doesn't use the Snapdragon chipset. But if they indeed use the Exynos 990 again in those areas, then this device will make no difference in terms of performance and battery life, and also underperform in terms of sales. There's no word on the price yet, but if we were to go by the S10 Lite, then it should be somewhere around $800, which is still a lot compared to the competition. And it might be even higher because of the Snapdragon 865. But I'd like to know what you guys think about the S20 Fan Edition in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.